It's
Fluency.
MC.
Fluency.
MC. Once again, it's
Fluency.
MC.
Grammar through lyrics.
Greetings to all. My name is Jason R Levine, better known as Fluency MC, the noble teacher and trainer, stress drainer, brain retainer, global knowledge entertainer. For more than a decade, I've been creating rap songs and videos to educate young people worldwide.
The microphone I took, taken. You shake, shook, shaking. Wake, woke, woken to the style I'm creating.
I grew up in hip-hop culture and was a DJ and English teacher in New York City. I'm now based in Paris, France, and recently I was a contestant on France Got Talent.
The microphone I took, taken. You shake, shook, shaking. Wake, woke, woken to the style I'm creating.
My songs promote empathy, tolerance, and compassion to empower students far beyond the classroom. Earlier this year, an influencer on TikTok shared 3 different freestyles I did in university classrooms, generating nearly 11 million views. Since 2012, I've toured the globe with my show Rhyme on Time. I've performed in 24 countries at hundreds of primary schools, middle schools, high schools, and universities with thousands of students. I've done shows in Tunisia, Mexico, Oman, Benin, England, and Jordan, the US, Italy, France, Belgium, Luxembourg, and Poland, Switzerland, Morocco, Israel, Greece, Holland, Spain, Macedonia, Belarus, Turkey, Palestine, and Bahrain. You heard Israel and Palestine, and you're thinking, no way. Not only that, did them both the same day. In a few weeks, I'll be going to Southeast Asia with the US Department of State, Cambodia, Vietnam, and Thailand. Back with an update. On August 10th, I rapped in the Olympics at the Marathon for All, performing like an Olympian.
Gonna sound like an Olympian. Yeah. Divine time like an Olympian.
And we shot a music video.
Give me the drive of an Olympian.
An Olympian.
I'm gonna strive like an Olympian. New lyrics I drop. Peace to ELTons and now I go.
One gun.
Thank you. Yeah. Excellent. Bravo.
it's
Fluency.
MC.
Fluency.
MC. Once again, it's
Fluency.
MC.
Grammar through lyrics.
Kick it.